Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to install Chatgpt app in Windows 10 laptop. So let's start. So here you can see I already log in my Chatgpt in Google Chrome. After that, just go to the right hand side and click on the three dot, and here click on the cast, save and share option. And here you can see the one option install page as app. Just click on it, and here you can see the one message pop up install this page as app. Okay, ChatGPT. If you want to edit this name, you can edit here. After that, click on the install, and that's it. Your ChatGPT app is installed in your laptop Windows 10. Would you like to pin the ChatGPT to your taskbar? Just click on the yes, and that's it. I just go to the desktop, and here you can see your ChatGPT app is installed in Windows 10 laptop. Okay, and with this in your, you can see in taskbar showing also this ChatGPT app is pinned here. If you want to open this, simply double click on it, and that's it. You can now easily use the ChatGPT. Okay, that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.